Hello and welcome to All Things Missouri. This video will demonstrate how to create an interactive report for your community. As you scroll down under the reports section, you see there are topic-based reports around MU Extension's 4 impact areas. We will work in business and community for this video, but do play around in the other areas because they do contain other types of indicators. What this does is allows you first to select a county, or we have extension triads and regions. So you can scroll down and say you want to look at Cooper County. We could add additional counties, for example, like Morgan and Montauk County, if we wanted to report on all 3. You're able to collect a custom area by selecting more than one county. Click Data Indicators in the bottom right when you are ready to proceed. Here you can see we have a series of indicators that we have curated or selected that are most related to the business and community topic. We have things like change in total population, urban and rural, Hispanic population, age 65 plus, veterans, just some different populations. As you can see as I hover over them, the I button highlights, and you can click on those for additional information about an indicator like attributes, a quick view on the map of what it looks like, and then a link back to the original source and when it was published. So you can either select all indicators at the top in this checkbox here. You can select an entire category by clicking the checkbox next to the category, or you can go through and select individual indicators that you are most interested in. Evidently, I've made a quick sub-selection of indicators in which to create a report. So the next thing you would do is click this Reports button here at the bottom. We have a couple of output options. Most likely you're always going to look at this comprehensive report. I did want to point out that we do have a quick facts, which is a series of data tables for the indicators that you have selected. So if you want just a quick 1 to 2 pager, this is a great way to go. You can export the data to an Excel file. Then we also have a source and methodology appendix. So if you are writing a grant or a report where you'd like to cite these sources in this data, we have done some of that citation work for you. I'm going to go ahead though and click open on the comprehensive report. What you see very quickly, the report is generated on your page and you are able to explore the indicators that you have selected. So the first indicator I've selected is population age 65 and over. As shown here, it gives us a nice stem sentence about the specific indicator within context to the geography we have selected. And then we get this same information reported to us in a data table. So here this report location line is an aggregate of Cooper, Morgan, and Montauk County. And then we get to see the actual county values individually, and then you benchmark to the state of Missouri and the rest of the United States. You can get more details about the indicator with background information and methodology in this link under the data table. You can click this View Larger Map and it will open up in the map room if you wanted to explore this indicator within the map room. Scrolling down, you can see that's sort of how most indicators in this report are laid out. Down at the bottom, we have this nice hamburger menu. What happens when I click this is it will pull up a list of all the data indicators you have selected for your report. That way, you can jump through the indicators more easily instead of scrolling up and down. Once again, this is just an example of the business community indicator report. There are other indicators included in the other 3 impact areas, so I encourage you to take a look and see what other indicators are in there. You can download this as a PDF and look very similar to this page here. You can share it on social media or email. We have a nice print button, and then you can also export this Excel to do some additional analysis there. Today you have learned how to create an interactive report in All Things Missouri. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@allthingsmissouri.org. Thanks for watching.